Noida has become one of the top education hubs in North India, with schools that focus not just on academics but also on leadership, creativity, sports, and overall personality development. From CBSE and ICSE to IB and international curriculums, the city offers some of the best educational institutions in the country. If you are a parent looking for the right school for your child, here are some of the best schools in Noida that truly stand out. One of the most trusted names in the city is Delhi Public School. Known for its strong academic culture, disciplined environment, and excellent board results, DPS Noida has remained a top choice for years. The school focuses heavily on academics while also encouraging students in sports, competitions, and extracurricular activities. Step by Step School is another highly respected institution in Noida. The school is known for its modern learning approach, student-focused environment, and emphasis on creativity and experiential learning. It consistently ranks among the best co-ed schools in the city and is especially popular among parents looking for holistic development. Shiv Nadar School. Noida has quickly built a strong reputation for combining academic excellence with innovation and global exposure. The school offers CBSE, IB, and international learning opportunities while focusing on leadership, technology, and critical thinking skills. Lotus Valley International School is widely known for its impressive campus, strong academics, and focus on co-curricular growth. The school encourages students to participate in arts, sports, leadership programs, and social initiatives alongside classroom learning. APJ School, Noida, Best Nursery School, Top CBSE Schools. Preschools in Noida is one of the oldest and most reputed schools in Noida. It is known for its disciplined atmosphere, experienced teachers, and balanced focus on studies and extracurricular activities. Over the years, it has built a strong reputation among parents across NCR. The Ketan School is another popular choice for parents looking for quality CBSE education. The school focuses on modern teaching methods, skill development, and helping students build confidence both inside and outside the classroom. For parents looking for international exposure and premium education, Pathways School Noida and the Shriram Millennium School, Best International School in Noida, Best IB School in Noida are also among the top options in the city. These schools focus heavily on global learning, communication skills, innovation, and preparing students for international opportunities. Choosing the right school in Noida depends on your child's learning style, your budget, preferred curriculum, and the type of environment you want for their growth. A school should not only help students score good marks, but also help them build confidence, discipline, communication skills, and real-world abilities. Before making a final decision, visit the schools, interact with teachers, understand the teaching approach, and explore the campus environment. The right school can play a major role in shaping your child's future and personality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more useful content on schools, education, and parenting.